I am home now. Today was very long, but I feel so happy to see my family again. Hello, my sweet girls. I hope you both had a very good day today. Come closer, girls. I brought a very special gift home today. Lucy, Nana said you worked very hard today. I am very proud of you. Look at this gold ring. It shines so beautifully in the light.
Thank you, Father. This ring is so beautiful. I will keep it safe. It is not fair. Lucy got the ring, and I got nothing today.
Do not be sad, Ruby. And one day, I will bring a gift for you too.
I must clean this table well before Nana comes back inside. The room is empty now. Maybe the gold ring is still here. Oh, what a pretty ring! It looks so shiny and beautiful. I only want to hold it. Just for one little moment. Oh no! The ring is falling! Please do not hit the floor! Oh no! The ring fell into the floor crack. I cannot see it now. I am in big trouble now. I cannot get the ring back. I have an ID now. Maybe this can save me today. If Dad finds this toy here, he will blame Lucy instead. Daddy, I cannot find my teddy bear anywhere in the house. I think Lucy took my toy and hid it in her room. Girls.
Girl, let us stay calm and look for the missing toy together. Lucy, why is Ruby's teddy bear inside your bag? I feel very disappointed.
Daddy, I did not take the bear. Please believe me. I am telling the truth.
Lucy, go clean the hallway now and think about your actions carefully.
The truth is hidden right now, but soon we will see everything clearly. Lucy and Ruby, please come help me in the garden this afternoon. I lost a small bag of gold coins somewhere in this garden.
I will find the gold first. I want the reward all for myself. I will help you, Nana. But I still feel very sad inside.
Oh dear, I feel very tired today. I need to rest for a moment.
I must keep digging fast before Lucy finds the gold coins first.
Oh my, I feel dizzy now. My legs are very tired today.
Please drink some water, Nana. I will help you feel cooler now. Ruby?
Hobel, please stop digging now. Come here, because I must speak to you. This bag was never hidden underground. I only wanted to test you both.
Lucy, your kind heart is the real treasure. Please remember this, Ruby.
I am sorry, Daddy. I lied about the toy and lost Lucy's ring.
I found the ring under the floor. Lucy, here is your gift again. We are family, so we must always be honest, kind, and loving together.